Guys, you will not believe me when I say this, but I met a top leaderboard player. Yeah, he's number 88 in the world, and he's only been playing for like 2 months. Crazy, right? I have him right here, and he's setting up a giant show. Yeah, he set up a giant show. Here, where is he? I have to find him. Chat, I have to find him. Oh, here he is. I told you guys. Number 88 earned. He's crazy, bro. He's only been playing for 2 months. I've been playing for like a pretty long time, I'd say, and I only have 141 million, and most of that is like bot chat. I'm not even gonna lie. But he is setting up so much stuff, bro. He's setting up so much stuff. But yeah, chat. I'll tell you when he's gonna light them in just a few minutes. Chat, we are still waiting on him to launch all these massive fireworks. But while we're waiting, I can like show you guys a like tutorial on how this on all the fireworks that are down. So basically, we got all these random fireworks, like just randoms, and then we got a little bit bigger ones over here. We got some pretty big ones over here. We got mortars, a ton of mortars. We got more mortars, and we got the finale right here, Chad. You know how? Wait. Okay, and then we got the finale right here. It's freaking massive. Chat, you don't know how big this is gonna get, bro. This is gonna be so tough, bro. It's gonna be actually so cool. Like, chat, if y'all, I bet none of y'all know a top leaderboard earner. But I do. I do. Anyways, chat, I'll unpause the video when he's gonna light it, okay? I promise. No more yapping. No more yapping. You could have skipped this part. I don't care. Just watch the video. Just watch the rest of the video. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video. Okay, so chat, I think he's about to light it. Yeah, so I don't even know why, like, I don't know why freaking Roblox rephrasing all my stuff, bro, but it's getting really annoying, if you know what I mean, shit. He's taking forever, bro. He said, I said, so please be quick. Okay, there, I think. Let's go. Let's count off. Bro, I literally said, like, okay, you count off. And it said, okay, let's count off. Dude, I didn't even type that. And then he said, wait, bro. Oh my god, bro. This guy. Like, even though he's a top leaderboard player, bro. Oh my god, he does not know how to hurry up. Also, guys, yeah, report to, yeah, subscribe to Chain Plays. Chain Plays is, like, the best YouTuber ever. It's like 100 something subscribers, chat. I know I told you guys there'd be no more talking in this video and more fireworks. But, like, bro, I thought he was gonna light it, bro. I'm not even joking. See, look. See, look. What's he doing? Bro. Yo, see? Oh my god. Yo, bro. Why is freaking Roblox rephrasing everything I say? It's getting so annoying. My god, bro. Oh my god, Roblox is actually taking this too far, bro. Oh my god. Is he gonna light it or no? Oh my god. Anyways, I'll just pause the video and, like, actually when he's about to light it, I'll actually start the video, okay? Yeah. Chet, he said he was gonna light it. Like, he just counted down. Okay. Uh, Fireworks? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Red, White, and Boom. Let's go, Chad. Let's go. Brought to you by Computer Studio. Oh, let's go. Making sense. Make me mad. Come on, light it already, bro. Now please rise for the national anthem. Oh, we gotta go over here, bro. This is crazy. Why we over here? What? Yo. Oh, sir, can you see by the dawn's early light? My song. Okay, bro. Okay, bro. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. This guy, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. He's still okay. We're just gonna be on top of this roof for now, bro. I'll play it when it's actually about to light again. Okay, chat. I think we're finally ready, bro. Okay, he's asking me if we're good on camera placement, and we're good on camera placement. Cause look, we got a whole thing, bro. Okay, now we just gotta wait for him to light it. Okay, shadow blocks. Are we good for a soundtrack fireworks launch? Come on. Come on. See us? Come on. Come on. Bro, oh my god, bro. Is he not? Are we serious? Are we serious? Like it already. Oh, already. Shit, bro, they won't light it. Oh my god. Okay, I'm past video again. Chat, bro, it's been delayed 10 minutes, bro. Cause technically, bro, it's a freaking game, bro. It's a freaking game. There's no technical difficulties. What the freak, bro? This is making me mad. Come on. Can't wait to see this jet. Oh, disclaimer right now. You need to subscribe or else you just can't watch this video. That's the disclaimer. So I'll be waiting like 9 more minutes, chat. Very sad. Chat, he just said he's ready. He just said he's ready. Roll, launch it. Okay, chat. 2, 3, 2, 1. Be I don't know what's happening. Chat. I don't know what's going on. What's going on? Oh, we're trying to get him up here. Come on. Bro, he's not landing until he's up here, bro. Come on. Yes! Oh my god, chat. This is actually gonna be epic. This is gonna be epic, chat. Oh my god, he's finally done. After like an hour of waiting, he's finally done, chat. Finally done. If he's gonna launch it or ready? Yes. Yeah. I am. 3, 2, oh. a very nice job. Well, I like that one. If this is too long for you guys, you just click off the video. I guess I don't really care. As long as you guys subscribe. What is going on, bro? This is taking longer than I thought it would, chat. I'm sorry if it's too long for you guys. 25 minutes of fireworks, bro. Oh my god. This is a good show, but oh my god, taking forever. I'm not gonna lie, it's a good show. If y'all made it to this part, like, subscribe, and comment. Comment Beyond Bryson is the best. Because I really need it. I really need it. I don't even know if that's all this fire. Almost a 30-minute show, bro. Oh my god. chat. Oh, that's funny. Oh, chat. Oh, chat. Oh, the finale didn't go off, bro. No. The finale didn't go off. Oh my god. Well, tell this guy thank you. You did a great job at it. Yeah, bro. These guys are so chill, bro. See ya guys later. Thank you guys for watching all this, even though I don't think anybody's gonna watch all this, bro. It's too much, bro. He wants a screenshot? I bet. Alright, Chaz. See you guys later.